Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In my last video, I treated word examples for the consonant letter B that gives the sound B. In my next video, I'm going to be treating more examples for the consonant B. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and learning the consonant letter C, and it gives the sound K and S. Okay, this C is represented, these are the symbols, okay? This is K and this is S. No word will be transcribed having this letter C in it, okay? This is what is being represented by this letter C here. Look at it, K and S, as you can see in this word that I'll be transcribing very soon. Let me just open up the slashes first to make it very fast, okay? I will open up all the slashes and then I will transcribe them and we will solve them together. Please don't just assume that transcribing words is meant for primary school and secondary school children. No, it's good for everybody because it helps to boost our brains. It helps to boost our memory, okay? This is ka. You bring in the sound, which is K, then your ka. Look at it. I'll close them up later. Let me just transcribe them. This is care. Okay? Care. And this one is come. Bring in the sound. Okay? You write it just like this, like capital letter. And this one is cash. Your streaminess. This is cake. And this one is cream. This one is clap. This one is clean. This is canoe. This is not canoe, this is canoe. I'll close it up later. And this one is close. This one is center. Center. And this one is cement. Cement. And this one is celebrate. Celebrate. Okay, so I'll close them up now and then we'll solve them together. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's solve them together. Okay, the consonant letter C gives the sound K and S, as in cup, cap, come, cash, cake, cream, clap, clean, canoe, close, center, cement, celebrate. Okay, let's go once more. Cup, you're drinking cup, the cap, the one like your face cap, okay? They are not produced the same way. A non-native speaker of English, we produce them the same way. This is cap and this is cap. Cap, 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 come, cash, cake, cream, clap, clean, canoe, close, center, cement, celebrate. Thank you so much. In my next video, I'll be bringing in more examples for the consonant letter B that I did last, okay? More examples. We have a lot of examples. You can bring in, you can just search out sound and transcribe. Remember, transcribing words can help to boost your brain. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you.